some more YouTube footage. Your homie Al.
When you upload them tonight?
Huh?
You upload them tonight. That's how you do them.
Yeah.
Nothing different. Boy, look, I can't really twerk on these sticks like that.
Me and him, we'll be watching sports, get drunk or some shit, play this shit online, go out and go get some girls, go to the bar for all the females.
Hey, you know that'd be a guard breaker.
Yeah. Cheese is that? Yeah. Picture perfect. I painted a perfect picture for I'm stuck in this is why I think to get rich. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ah! You don't miss that. Cheese the shit out there. Let me see you cheese it up.
Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. We're playing on a pad. Not an arcade stick, we're playing on a pad. You won't even play this shit. We play this shit and just cross our mind or some shit. We don't play every day. This is what we playing on a pad.
He put it out there. Now you know the truth. It's not an arcade stick.
Right.
You boys got $150 arcade sticks and you got them mounted. Your bums sitting there playing it, doing the combos. Oh.
I don't even need cable this time.
Oh, we got the yeah, that's that team, dog.
You don't deserve roll.
That team destroys his voice too. I like that. I like that. That feels to the commando. I might use that. I might use that. He's just funny. If he feels you to some black commando, he's dead. See? Right on cue. I know, I understand. I know how it goes. Uh-huh.
Bam!
One more. One more.
Oh! No.
It's all good. I know. I understand. Yeah. I know you want to come back.
Woo!
Yeah, I understand. Nah, good season every time. Ooh.
Woofer controller. They playing on arcade sticks with MSP, and they practice every day. I'm playing on. Fuck that. No, my bad. I'm just playing with y'all. I'm playing on the mouse. I'm playing on the mouse. We over here playing on the mouse. 2 buttons. That's all we doing. I've been fucking with y'all. We been playing on the mouse all this time.
Pointing and clicking and doing viper beats.
Motherfuckers lame, man. Yeah. Watch this. Look at that. I'm picking my character.
That's how we do. Super cold before we hit the club, y'all.
You're dead.
Oh, that's some new. I gotta get my signal back up. What you gonna do? Let me get on the axe before you burn out all the guys.
Alright, you can hit it next. Yeah. Woo! You get cable, baby.
Yeah, hold on. Show that stick. We want to see what you eating. He beating you on the mouse.
On the mouse. There's a mouse right here. This is what we playing on. We playing on the mouse. Look. I don't know where the sys button at. I don't know. This punch and this kick right here. Bombs.
No arcade stick.
No arcade sticks.